first thing to do is to get a sizable wrapper that can hold your baby very well on the back. Then wrap it round your waist. Wrap it round your waist and make it to be a bit loose. Get your baby and put your baby by the side, either the right or the left side, and carefully transfer the baby on the back. Then you can use the wrapper to wrap the baby round, making sure that the wrapper gets to the neck of the baby so that the baby will not fall off. Then you can fold in the wrapper in the front as I'm doing in this video. Then the remaining wrapper on the back, you can use it to hold the baby's legs so that the baby will be very firm on your back. Wrap the remaining wrapper on the front and fold it inwards. You can even tie it. Any style at all is okay as long as you are comfortable. Yes. Then you can walk freely with your baby. You can even jump up. You can turn around as I'm doing in this video. This tip is very, very comfortable and easy. You can even walk miles away and kilometers away with your baby on your back without feeling uncomfortable or feeling the baby's heaviness. So guys, hope this tip is very helpful. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye.